Today in the kitchen, I invite you to come to the Fall Coffee Beverage Bar Collab of 2021, which is being hosted by Kimberly Davis of A Blessed Home and Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Two lovely ladies, and certainly this has been a very successful collab. And I know that you are going to enjoy each of the collaborators as they prepare their coffee beverage bars, as well as you must stay and see what their beverage is going to be. Now, I've placed a playlist down in the description box so that you can just click on it and sit back with your particular choice of beverage and enjoy the show. So, without further ado, let's get to that coffee bar and also to the beverage. You know, the thing about a coffee beverage bar is the fact that you want it to be pretty, you want it to be functional and simple and easy for you to be able to do the things that you need to do around it. You know, everyone uses this coffee beverage bar. That's the grandkids, the husband, myself, as well as company that may come into the house. And so because of that, I need to have everything at easy access because I'm not always the one to prepare the beverage. Alright, I'm going to take you in and let you see everything that is a part of this coffee bar corner. I have our squeeze container that I've placed a beautiful floral arrangement into. And I'll bring you down the two-tiered tray. It says, "Hello, Pumpkin." From there, we'll come down to the next tier, where I've put all of my coffee necessities, and I'm brewing up caramel apple coffee. And you can see the containers. I have a pumpkin that's holding our sweeteners, as well as another little container, and also a creamer back there in the back, as well as little napkins to have because you need those. I have two little pumpkins that I've added, and they're actually salt and pepper shakers that we're going to put cinnamon and nutmeg into because we may decide to add a little pumpkin coffee as well to the menu. Now, off to the side, I have a little frame that says crunching, crinkling, autumn leaves, spiraling, swirling in the breeze. And that little picture frame is surrounded by pumpkins. Definitely shouts autumn. And as I bring you up, you'll see my Yankee candle, which is also in an apple spice, as well as I found this great Better Homes and Garden magazine called Apples, the Flavor of Fall. There's two little pumpkins with the big guy and myself, our initials, my little birdie, and of course another place for napkins when someone comes in and needs one quick. And as I said, all of this is next to my candy apple red coffee maker. We are ready for fall. Now this is my second coffee beverage bar, and you can see my Hello Fall sign as well as the pumpkin spice and everything nice. I have a pumpkin spice mug, as well as I have these to-go cups, and the design on them is beautiful. Look at that. They say thanks, and they have all of the beautiful fall leaves. I really love that they're there. I have a little pitcher with flowers, and the cool thing is that, you know, I always keep my spoons for our coffee right here, as well as my little wooden spoons. These are wooden teaspoons that I can keep here. I like those too. Now here's another little pumpkin that holds our sweeteners, and my little chickadee here with the fall pumpkins and gourds. And you see in the back there in the cookie jar, they are maple flavored cookies made with maple syrup. And oh, I can't wait, because today our beverage is going to be made also with maple syrup and pumpkin. So let's get down to business. All right, so let's get started here. In my container, I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of almond flour. And this is unsweetened almond milk. Sorry, not almond flour, but almond milk. So I'm going to get that open, and it's got the measurements inside so I can see that. So there's our 1 cup and 1.5. So I have 1.5 cups of almond milk. I'm also going to add in, get my spoon, I'm going to add in some pumpkin. And I have in here about 2 tablespoons of pumpkin that I'm going to add in. Okay, I'll get my whisk in just a minute and get it all nice and whisked up. And we're going to add in about 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We want the flavor as well as the sweetening. And this is going to be for multiple cups of pumpkin latte. There we go. I'm making a mess here. I'm doing a little spilling, but we'll clean up, because that's what we do in the kitchen. We make a mess so we can clean it up. All right, now I'm going to put this in the microwave for a good 1.5 minutes. Now you could certainly blend this, but I'm going to use my whisk and give everything a good stir. So that done, we'll stick that off to the side. I'm going to get my coffee, and we'll be ready to have pumpkin spice latte. Now I have my hot coffee. I have my hot mixture of almond milk, maple syrup, and pumpkin. And I'm going to take that and I'm just going to pour it right in until I get it up to the level where I want it. There we go. See, I've got plenty to spare. Well, I can get several cups out of this, and I can even put it in a container and save some for tomorrow. So I don't want any whipped cream because I'm trying to watch the calories, but my pumpkin spice latte is perfect. My pumpkin spice latte is ready, guys. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful fall, and I hope it continues to be blessed every day. Don't forget to give thanks each day. And also think of others. I am so glad that you spent time in the kitchen with me here at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, because you know our family loves to cook and to decorate and to chat right here in the kitchen. Now, you know, at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme that we do things in the kitchen for the kitchen. And you know, it takes all of those things to make a home a warm and happy place, because our kitchen is the hub, the heart of the home. Now, the time that we spend in the kitchen should be loving, nurturing, encouraging, and guiding each other, our families, and our friends over delicious meals are just across the counter. Your kitchen should be the place where everyone wants to come, have a seat, and get a hug. You are invited always to join our family. And if you are new to this channel, then I hope you will subscribe before you leave. And I say thank you to my new subscribers, as well as thank you to those of you who have been on this journey for some time, because together we